meditation, you start hearing your own tone. Then you're in tune. Then you know. Then you am. So I say, don't try, do or do not. Because you're just wasting your time. And as time's an illusion, we know this too. Time's an illusion. Time is created and manipulated by our minds. The only place it exists is in our minds. Our clock is not the right thing to be following on the wall, facing it. The first original clock timepiece is a sundial. We have to dial the sun. The sun creates all life, or gives life, through the photonic light spectrum. See? Through crystalline. And you get colours out of this. And this is where we live. In a rainbow land called Kai Earth. So I've got to be passionate then. But I'm trying to show you people the state of what's going on. We need to get back to this. And being able to think for ourselves, operate for ourselves, work for ourselves, play with ourselves, not in that sense, but play and smile and have fun. You understand? And this is what's happening now. A change is coming, a separation of the wheat from the tare. And sometimes the tare grows up with the wheat, but it falls off. That's not what's eaten and what's taken. That's left and discarded. Sometimes there's protection, but protect yourself. Choose yourself. Take yourself off the shelf. Dust off that dust. Wipe the matter out your eye. Cry to release the energies. Every bad thing we've ever been through in our life was to cook us or crush us into a perfect diamond where we can be the best versions of ourselves, as they put on the walls across the world in the ancient ruins, most notably the pyramids, told us point blank, know thyself. That's what they told us. And that was before books, paper, Bibles, Qurans. I'm just saying, these are the oldest buildings and oldest writings and stuff across the world we know. But then why do we then go revert back to, oh, we're going to have a belief in that? And it doesn't make no sense to me. What's the point of studying if you're not going to do? What's the point of being religious if you're not going to practice? What you preach. With all the so many religions in the world, with Christianity just having like 32,000 different sets of types of worship, yeah, and so many other religions across the world, it's just a lot. When the world looks and we know is in an upside down kind of state. Everything's in reverse. Mostly everything's gone against nature. Tell me what you think about this. Because this is unprecedented times. The internet is swamped with imagery from all other countries and states showing us point blank what's going on. Even the animals. Today even the animals are dipped off because they know what's going on. It's just us pushing our energy into a backward system where everyone's in fear, everyone's in anxiety, everyone's in ill health, everyone's in, let's say, gluttony. When I say everyone, I'm saying the majority. Because there are light beings out here and workers doing the work, putting the effort in, persevering and going from strength to strength. You see me? Calm me. I will not give up. I will persevere and I'll walk that path, that narrow path I stated I'll be on a few years back when I had the calling and them light codes came from the sun and hit my vessel and hit my soul. I cannot be defiant to the prime source creator, so I must follow, and this is how it is for me. I open my eyes in the morning, so this is my light, my life. I gave birth or conceived, had children, so that they may have life too, and see and know, and left them with knowledge and my ways and my being and my DNA. I was in high vibrations when I had my children. You understand? So my assumption is if I do greatness, they have greatness too. Regardless of circumstance, people, places and things, and whispers and gnashing of teeth and ill tongue. But don't you worry, because age of Aquarius will all be revealed. You're born to know, and we were taught how to knowing. Now we're all in belief. Now we look at the world, now we're all in disbelief. Now we don't know what to believe. Time to back off the coat and roll up the sleeves. Got a problem, get into meditation, get into prayer and ask. And thou shalt receive. So, I'm signing out now. Leave it on this slanted mass covering over the sun. This is Kami, Galactic 369 El Neta, through the channel Knowledge Warehouse. Tune in, like, share, subscribe. Also, I'd like to thank all my viewers and subscribers. My views have reached actually over 10,000 views, so I'm saying thank you for that. Thank you. I appreciate that. That means some people have actually got some knowledge and got a chance and a chance to be themselves, know something other than what they was taught. Thank you. I say again, and into my subscribers, keep them coming. I have over 300 uploads at the moment. I'm just trying to keep everybody up to date with what's going on around the world and in our present circumstance. So once again, live life and light. Ashe.